Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 Bast 3D printer. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Meet the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, a fully automatic, high-speed Core XY 3D printer designed for fast, precise, and beginner-friendly printing with auto-leveling built-in. At around $239, it offers serious value for a high-speed Core XY printer with features usually found in more expensive models, making it a strong budget to mid-range option. Fully automatic bed leveling for easy setup. Ultra-fast printing up to 600 mm per second max speed. Core XY all-metal structure for stability and precision. Direct drive extruder reaching 280 degrees Celsius for flexible filament support. 3-second quick-swap detachable nozzle system. Build volume, 220 by 220 by 220 mm. Compact, enclosed style design for better print consistency. Beginner-friendly interface with fast startup workflow. Pros. Very fast printing speed for the price. Easy setup with auto-leveling. Good material compatibility, PLA, PTG, TPU, etc. Solid Core XY stability improves print quality. Cons. Build volume is only average. High-speed mode may need tuning for best quality. Limited advanced customization compared to pro machines. Number 4. Creality K2 SE 3D printer. Meet the Creality K2 SE, a high-speed Core XY 3D printer built for fast, precise printing with multicolor capability support and modern automation features. At around $299, it sits in the budget to mid-range category, offering high-speed performance, auto-leveling, and upgrade-ready features that usually appear in more expensive printers. High-speed printing up to 500 mm per second for rapid prototyping. Supports multicolor printing, with CFS system compatibility. Solid metal frame design for stability and reduced vibration. Fully automatic bed leveling for easier setup. Direct drive extruder for better control with flexible filaments. Quick swap nozzle system for faster maintenance. Build volume, 220 by 215 by 245 mm. Compact Core XY structure designed for speed and precision. Beginner-friendly workflow with modern automation features. Pros. Very fast printing speed for the price range. Strong build quality with stable Core XY frame. Easy maintenance with quick swap nozzle. Good upgrade path with multicolor support. Cons. Multicolor printing may require extra system purchase, CFS. Slightly smaller build volume compared to some competitors. High-speed tuning may be needed for best surface quality. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, a next-gen high-speed Core XZ 3D printer built for faster printing, strong stability, and larger everyday projects. Priced around $378, it sits in the mid-range segment, offering ultra-fast printing, auto-leveling, and upgraded mechanics that push it beyond classic Ender models. Ultra-fast printing up to 600 mm per second with Core XZ motion system. Large build volume, 11.8 by 11.8 by 13.0 inches. Fully automatic bed leveling for easy setup. Direct drive extruder for flexible and detailed filament printing. Stable all-metal frame design for reduced vibration and better accuracy. Tri-metal nozzle for durability and high-temperature resistance. Improved motion system for faster, smoother prints. Beginner-friendly workflow with upgraded reliability. Pros. Extremely fast printing speed. Large build volume for bigger projects. Strong stability with upgraded Core XZ system. Easy to use with auto-leveling. Cons. Higher speed may require tuning for best surface quality. Slight learning curve for beginners new to high-speed printers. Mid-range price is higher than entry-level Ender models. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, a budget-friendly, upgraded Ender printer designed for faster, easier, and more reliable everyday 3D printing. At around $219, it's one of the best entry-level upgraded printers, offering auto-leveling, faster speeds, and direct drive features at a very affordable price. Print speed up to 250 mm per second for faster results. CR Touch Auto Leveling for easy setup. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder supports PLA, PTG, and TPU. Dual Z-axis system for improved stability and print accuracy. Auto filament loading for smoother operation. Build size, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches. Compact, beginner-friendly design. Improved Ender 3 upgrade platform for easier printing experience. Pros. Very affordable upgraded 3D printer. Easy setup with auto leveling. Good material compatibility, including TPU. Stable printing with dual Z-axis support. Cons. Smaller build volume than higher models. Slower than newer 500, 600 mm/s printers. Limited for advanced or large-scale projects. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, a fast, beginner-friendly 3D printer designed for easy setup and reliable everyday printing. At just around $186, it delivers excellent value with auto-leveling, direct drive extrusion, and upgraded speed features at a very budget-friendly price. Printing speed up to 250 mm per second for faster output. CR Touch Auto Leveling for hassle-free calibration. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder supports PLA, PTG, TPU. Dual Z-axis system for improved stability and precision. Auto filament loading for smoother operation. Build volume, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches. Lightweight aluminum frame for durability. Easy assembly design, great for beginners. Pros. Very low price for upgraded features. Easy setup with auto leveling. Good print quality for beginners. Supports flexible filaments like TPU. Cons. Smaller build volume. Not ideal for very large or professional projects. Slower than newer ultra-high-speed printers. If you want an affordable and easy 3D printer, the Ender 3v3 SE is a great start. Check the link in the description for the best price, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more 3D printer reviews.